Hello guys, what's up? Let's read this message together. This message is from Mading Malwala Long. Well, the guy say that there's something that you guys should know about the pastors in South Sudan. So let's read it together. Okay, the message say that some of our pastors in South Sudan are former soldiers of late Dr. John Garang the Mabur, and it takes time for them to become a real soldiers of Jesus Christ. So let's really pray for the Church of Christ in South Sudan. Pull stop. So if you look at this message right there, you say, oh no, that is lie, that's not true. But the fact is that this is real, this is true, let's be honest. Because when you look at the people that are showing poor people money, they are pastors from the church. God did not say that please go out and take the poor people money. God said that go out and preach my gospel, preach the word of God. So when you're chosen to preach the gospel, you're supposed not to take anything from the poor. In fact, by using the God name. And God said that using my name in vain, okay, will allow you to be burned in hell. So this is a message that goes out to all the preachers out there. If you are willing to preach the gospel, do not need anything. It is your will, you choose to preach the gospel. So do not allow yourself to be led by the devil. So this is a real fact that we all have to consider. Yes, of course, even if they are not soldiers from our late Dr. John Garang the Mabio, some of them have their own way of generating the income from the poor in the church. So we should make it it is not right thing for you as a preacher or a pastor simply to be reading scriptures to your followers that God said that my church cannot be empty. So who are eating those money? Is it God or you? So that is the real question that you should be asking yourself. So do not mislead good people that goes to church to pray to God by reading those scriptures, by forcing them, because that is a force. It is like you're hiding behind God, and in the end, whatever they give to the church, they cannot even benefit from it. It is being used by you and by others who are members of the church, who have position, because you can see that there's hierarchy, there's a structure in the church that allows them to benefit, while those who simply goes there and pray, they got nothing in return. So the only thing that you promise them is that when you give tithes or offering, you will thrive. God will reward you. God will give you anything. Can I be in my living room waiting for the money to come, or do I have to go out and work? That is the question that goes to you. Because to me, what I know now is that if I don't work, I'm not going to get food. If I work, that's when I get something. So the same thing goes to you. You don't have to mislead people by simply working for you. So you don't have to make people simply or to give you something so that you benefit from that, and you are not doing anything. So preaching the gospel, nobody's forcing you. It is your own ideology. It is your own idea. It is you choosing to preach the gospel. People did not went to your home and tell you, please come, we do not have a preacher. So that is wrong. So please change from that.